guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Lachey for the ones who are new. So let me tell you what's going on right now. I have Keason in the car, but he really don't want to be on camera right now, so that's why he's like tilted over a little bit. Trying to hide. I'm on a mission trying to find this spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes. Now, I did a recent video about the Popeye chicken guy. If you haven't seen it, the link will be below. So click on that link and go check out the video, guys, if you haven't already. My nose itching. But anyway, I'm on the hunt for Keason and Khayla because they haven't tried the chicken sandwich yet. So we went to 2 locations already, right?
Yeah.
We went to 2 locations, guys, and they are out of the chicken sandwiches, okay? They are out of it. They are out. I'm like, my gas is low. I gotta hurry and get some gas. I'm up here riding around trying to find this spicy chicken sandwich for Khayla and Keason, guys. So we're on our way right now to another location. So hopefully we are praying, guys, that they have this chicken sandwich so I can get home. I'm ready to go home.
Me too.
I'm ready to go home. So that's what we're doing right now, guys. So just pray that we can find this chicken sandwich so I can get home. Okay. The Popeyes I just left, they had a sign on the door. I was getting ready to go inside because the line was so long. So I was like, you know what, let me just get out of the car and go inside to get this chicken sandwich. So as soon as I walked to the door, guys, they had a sign posted on the door saying, if you're here for the chicken sandwich, the spicy chicken sandwich, we are out. So I was like, dang. So I heard this guy and this lady talking, and they was talking about the chicken sandwich. I just heard this guy say, man, I gotta find this chicken sandwich. I'm so sick of hearing everybody talking about this spicy chicken sandwich. I want to try it. And I told him that it was good because, as you guys know, I did, you know, test it out for myself. So guys, I'm just like, everybody just going crazy over this spicy chicken sandwich. It is just hilarious to me right now. But guys, we almost there at the location. Pray, guys, that this chicken sandwich is there because I can't keep riding around with this low gas I have right now trying to find this chicken sandwich, guys. So we're gonna see. Okay, guys, I just turned in and my butt is literally hanging out the entranceway because of the line. The line is so long. Let me come up just a little bit if I can out the street. Y'all, this is ridiculous. This is so ridiculous. So, Keason, your phone. Y'all hear that? Who you testing?
Huh?
You were testing somebody?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What? I was typing back?
Yes. Like, what is going on? So, look at the line, Keason.
Dang.
Crazy, right?
They trying to get it too.
Right. And my signal's still on for turning in. As you can see, I couldn't even straighten up my wheel to stop that from happening. Oh God, come on, y'all. I hope they have it. I don't see no sign on the door or anything like that. So hopefully they have it. So guys, we just moved up. But I hope they have it, Keys. I don't see it on the door. They better have it,
because they don't have a tantrum.
Why you gonna have a tantrum?
Cause we already been to 3 places. I'm ready to go home. It's hot. I'm sleepy.
Well, we'll see in a few minutes, guys. We'll see in a few minutes. They moving pretty fast.
No,
not really. Not really.
We inching.
Yeah. We'll see what happens, guys. So we're gonna get Khayla and Keason's reaction. I'm trying to get Keason on camera. Y'all know the reason why he don't want to be on camera right now because of his hair. He still haven't got his hair done yet. I'm gonna go ahead and do his hair for him so he can, you know, get back on the camera with, you know, so you guys can see him. There he go with that testing again. Oh God, y'all, look at this. Look at this. Chicken sandwich unavailable. Sorry for the inconvenience. Oh wow. Oh my God.
Bruh, we was in this line for no reason,
For no reason.
Bruh.
God. That's the 3rd one we went to yet.
Blow again, I'll blow at you. I'm not in the mood either.
Y'all, I cannot believe this. I can't believe this. We calling Khayla right now.
Hello?
I'm pissed.
Yeah.
You heard me? We done went to 3 Popeyes. None of them got the chicken sandwich.
Yeah, but everybody should buy it.
Khayla, no chicken sandwich.
Everybody keep buying it.
Oh Lord, so what you want to eat now? We're not gonna be able to get the chicken sandwich because everywhere I go, there's no chicken sandwich.
You need to give me Wendy's.
Wendy's. Dang, did I just pass Wendy's? I just passed the Wendy's. What you want for Wendy's? My gas light on. I gotta get some gas.
Baconator.
You gotta get a son of Baconator.
Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
we'll be there as soon as we can.
Alright.
All right.
Later.
Wow, y'all.
Girl, I'm mad. I'm really
Keason
mad.
Kayla wasn't all that upset, but Keason is really upset. He wanted to try. Tina's at home with her boyfriend right now. They're filming a video. I think she's filming a my boyfriend does my makeup video. So I think they're doing that right now. And so let me call her. Call Tina. Call Tina. I hope she's not filming right now. That's too loud.
Yes.
Ting Ting.
I want to call her.
Are you filming yet?
I am.
Oh, you are? I'm so sorry. I was just trying to see, did you start yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, bye. I said bye. She just hang up the phone. Let me go ahead and get some gas before we be walking. Hey. 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 I'm vlogging. Yeah. Let me see your face. Let me see your face. Let me see. It don't look bad. Wait a minute. It don't. Your eyebrow. He did the eyebrow?
No, remember I had to go somewhere this morning. Hey, come on, bro.
What all he do?
He did.
Wait a minute. Oh, your lips. Oh my God, I didn't see that at first. No, you look like you dead. She look like she look dead. Oh my
What was the
God.
purpose of the eating of it?
Wait. What I look like, Shay? You look like you died. You look like you dead, girl. Like you laying up in your casket. Y'all see her lips? I'm up here vlogging too. Hey, princess. Hey.
You look like
Hey, girl.
Who? Coraline mom. You see Coraline?
Coraline? Who is Coraline?
It's like a movie.
It's a movie.
Who is that?
You never seen Coraline? Oh my God, that's a classic.
So I made it back home finally, and I'm about to eat my Zaxby's, y'all. About to eat this salad. About to tear it up.